Hello friends, today we are going to see how to do a manual digitization in Qgis. For example, I have my two data here. I have like the raw data and the building data. So in the building data, I have like the categorized. I have churches, commercial, construction, farm, and so on. So uh, I'm going to show you how to digitize manually in Qgis. So uh, this one, is a data source manager toolbar, and of course you'll find right away when you go just to layer, and then you'll find like the data source manager where you'll just create the layer or just add the layer and other tools that you want to perform. And of course you can sometimes don't find this one, uh, so just go to view and then go to toolbar, and then you have to make sure that the data source manager toolbar have a tick. So if doesn't have a tick, that means that our we can't digitize. So just make sure that go to view and then toolbars, and then make sure that the data source manager toolbar has a tick so that it you allow us to digitize. So just go direct to show you how we can do a manual digitization using Qgis. Just go to right here. So on this we have a new GeoPackage layer, and for now I just prefer to use this instead of a shapefile, and the reason is this is more compatible uh, than the shapefile. So just go to new GeoPackage layer. If you just click right here, or again you just have to go to layer and then create layer, and then you have to go to new GeoPackage layer, and then if you just click this, you have to set your database or the folder you want to save your shapefile. And then I just have to go to desktop and select my folder, and I just have to set it as uh, my site. Let me just this is my site, and then save. After that, I have to say to select the geometric type, for which for now I'm just go to point. So if you just click point, and then you have to ensure the coordinate uh, reference system, and for now I'm just gonna use this one, and then click OK. And after that I've just go directly and then click OK. So for now the new created shapefile will appear like here, and then after that you just come right here, and this is a digitizing toolbar. The same thing, if you don't have this, you have to go to the view and then toolbars, and make sure that digitizing toolbars, and then make sure that the digitized toolbar has a tick. If not, then you cannot digitize. You just go to view and then toolbar, make sure that the digitizing toolbar has a tick, and then if just you have to make sure that you select your created layer, and then click this to editing, and after that you have to click this. Of course this is adding point feature, so if you just click, you have to select where you just want to select your site. So this, for example, this is my site building, so just click, and then the field ID, for example, it's aggregate. That means it auto generate, I mean this is auto generator, so it auto generate the field ID. But if not, you just remove that, and then you just light, for example this is 101, so that's my field ID. So just click OK. Boom, this is my site. So that's how we do a manual digitization to that case. Another case, I just want to go to again to this layer, or just go to layer, create a layer, and then new shapefile. Of course, I just use, for my case, I just use new package layer. Then if you click that, then the database is the same, the desktop, and my folder is this, and click OK. And my layer now is the load data. So my layer now is the data, and then save. So for now, because it's a load, I will just select my linear string. So just select my linear string, click OK, and then the same, I have to make sure that I set my CLS, and for now I just use the word CLS and click OK. And for now, after that, click OK. So the loaded new created load data is appear right away. So let's click this and then go again to editing, and then click OK, and then have to add a line feature. So just click, and then for now I'll be able to create my loaded. So for example, my load is start from this point, so just this point to this point to this point. So this is my load, so this point, from this point up to this point. So after that, you right click and then auto generate. For now, let's just keep the auto generate. So if it's just click OK, then we already have a layer. For sometimes, for example, for now, if just right click on my first created layer and then open attribute table, you will see the field ID is 101, the one we used. And if you just right click on my load data and go to attribute table, open attribute table, you will see that the field ID is auto generate. Of course, it's 1. For now, I just gonna finish up with the last type of vector data, which is a polygon geometry type. So for now, the same procedure, just go to layer, create a layer, and then new GeoPackage layer, and then select the database or the folder for what I have to save, and then my file is this one. And then after that, I just have to name my data as house 1. So for example, this is house 1, and then click save. So that I just select the geometry type for which it is polygon, and then set the CLS. I'm just gonna use this, click OK. After that, click OK. So I am just the new loaded layer is this one. So I just go back to editing, and then click on these to add a polygon feature, and then click on, and then I'll just digitizing this. So I just start from this point and then come to this point, fold the whole corner point of my building. So go this point, 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 this point. Yeah, so that's how you can digitize So yeah, so done. So after that, at the last, you just click the light click and the auto generate. For now, I just like 0 1, and then click OK. Boom, this is loaded, uh, the digitized one. Of course, after that, to remove this editing, you have to click save, so that to make sure that the things you have digitized have saved. So you just come here and then click save, come here and then click save. But for now, these three layers, they are in editing form. To remove that, just right click and then go to editing, you just see a tick. So this is how you will do. But of course, in sometimes you will need to do some editing to your layer. For example, I find some errors in my layer, and then I just want to do some changes. So just right click again and then go to editing, and then after that you perform a lot of editing, and this is now a advanced digitizing toolbar. The same thing, if you don't find the advanced digitized toolbar, you have to go to view and then make sure that on the toolbars you make sure that the advanced digitizing toolbar has a tick. If not, you have to make sure that it has a tick, so for you to perform the advanced digitizing tools. So for now, I just want to do some editing, and I'm just gonna reshape my features. And of course, we have another video that explain in details about the advanced digitize tool. So for now, I just show you how to reshape the features. So just click this, and then if just come here, and this for sure, this is my error. So just need my layer to be from this point up to this, and then lateral to this, and then back to this point, and then right click. I'm sorry, not sure. Let's just repeat the process. I just want to perform this reshape, then yeah. So that's how we can reshape your features or your loaded layer. So that's all about how to do a manual digitization. You can also perform, just go to layer and then create layer, and then new package layer. You just go to multiple line, multiple point. This will enable you to do how to create a new multiple points, and we have a multiple line, for which this it will enable you to create a multiple lines, and then the multiple polygon, the same as I said. The last thing that we are going to see for now is just to do some symbology to the layer. Just simple symbology, because we have another video that explain more about the symbology. So for now, just click save to my layer, and then I just right click do this. So just go now to do some symbology. So just right click, go to properties, and then I'll just do some little. Of course, I have like the layer. That's I have. so you can select whatever you want, but if not, just click color, and then you can select the color you want. For example, I just want my color to be this, and then click OK. Or either way, if you just know the code for this, just select the percent. For example, this is 90, for example 90 is this, and then percent is like 32, and then use some road, like I just want to be 67, and then want it to be 223, and then this I just want to be 197. So that's how you can do. And of course, you can also minimize the opacity. For example, this is 100, so it does not show the background of it. So if you just minimize, or either way, just click here, and then you just select, for example, I just want to be 40. Yeah, and then for now, if you just click on the symbol, and I just want the black on a boundary to not appear, so just select this and then select the transparent stroke, and then the black on the corner will all disappear. And then after that, I just click OK. So you see, this is how my setting will appear. I just want to go more on the my load data, so right click, go to properties, and then I want it to select to change something. I just want to increase the stroke width, so I just scroll here, or just write 2, or let's say 1.2, and then I want it to be dashed line and other setting. Of course, we have the same, we have another YouTube tutorial that's teach much more on the symbology. You'll see it in the next time. Just click OK, and this is my load. So that's how we do manual digitization using QGIS. Thank you for your time.